Good morning, friends. Let us continue our discussion on overhead variances. One of the beautiful topics, exceptionally superb topic, which generally people find it little difficult, but for all cap sites, in the last theory class, we made it chiller. I'm sure all of you have gone through the theory component. So, before we get into the problem, we'll just recall what we discussed. Overheads are unique, especially fixed overheads are concerned. Point number one. Point number two, absorption costing, what we call it as over absorption or under absorption, we call it as a variance under the standard costing. Maybe there
Voice.
Sir,
Voice breaking, sir.
it is per unit. We were allowed to do two things. Budgeted variance, where we use budgeted, Rachita, standard
Sir,
as
you
well
are
as
not
actual.
audible.
Got it correctly?
Not audible, sir.
Second. Purnima, Chinmay. Keep the door open for the door open. And is it audible now?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it audible or not audible? Correct, I can say,
Audible,
yeah.
sir.
हाँ sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect, perfect. Issue ಇದೆಯಾ?
Video stuck.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ಟಕ್
Yes, sir.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? Chinmay, give the video off for 2 minutes. Just be online. There's some technical errors. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Visible?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I visible now?
Yes, sir.
Audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay, right. Whoever has the technical issues, videos can be off, but others keep your video on to the extent possible and keep responding yes, no, whatever. Perfectly going? Perfectly going?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, video testing, my testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All well?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, right. Good morning, friends. Let us take up the beautiful topic called overhead variances. In the last session, we discussed about the theory portion of the overheads. Today, let us do a beautiful question which covers almost every possible variance under the sky. Exceptionally beautiful question. Chota pataka, bada dhamaka. So, this is a small question which you can see on your screen. Before we get into the discussion on problem, let's understand the theoretical aspect once more. Let's just recall rather. overhead variances, 2 arrow marks. Left side is called variable overhead, right side fixed overhead. Variable overheads are as simple as material cost variance, no extra discussion required. Fixed overheads are concerned, special one, because as I kept on repeating, fixed overheads remain fixed in total normally, compulsorily varies per unit. Compulsorily. Since it varies per unit and standard costing is a per unit topic, the formula is slightly different, reasonably different. Not completely different, reasonably different. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
When it comes to the fixed overhead, we have 2-3 special points. Point number 1, what we learnt in absorption costing as over absorption or under absorption shall be called variances as far as the standard costing is concerned. Point number 1. Point number 2, in standard costing, you must mention it as adverse or favorable. Point number 3, the crucial one, fixed overhead variances are the only variances. We use the term budgeted, standard, and actual in 3 different meanings. If you go to all other variances, let us say talk about material variance, labor variance, under cost variances, we use the word standard and actual comparison. That's it. Only, and if you come to the sales variance, we use the word budgeted and actual comparison. Only under fixed overhead, we have budgeted, which is different from standard and actual. And standard is always for actual. Very important point. Most of the people are struggling to understand the overhead variances or maybe cost variances because they don't understand the meaning of standard. Standard means what should have been. When input is given, you can compute output. When output is given, you can compute input. Just to recall the example, one shirt requires, let us say, 2 meters cloth. How many meters cloth?
2 meters.
2 meters cloth. So if I say 10 meters cloth is given, actual 10 meters is given, standard output should have been 5. So for the actual input, what should have been the output is 5. Ulta. If I give you 8 shirts, 8 output, the standard input for the 8 actual output, the input should have been 8 into 2, 16. So input is given, do output. Output is given, do input. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. When it comes to fixed overhead variances, so total variance is same. Standard fixed overhead for actual output minus a actual fixed overhead for actual output. That is divided into 2 arrow marks. On the left side, red ink, I told you right, expenditure variance, special formula, budgeted fixed overhead minus a actual fixed overhead. And this overhead variance, at least you should get just by a fraction of second, because this information will be given in the question 99.9%. Budgeted will be given actual, minus karo expenditure variance. Right side volume variance is the beauty. Under volume variance, we have 2 approaches, 2 alternative approaches, either unit based or hours based. But first take unit based. Always within the volume means within the bracket quantity, within the bracket quantity. So BQ, budgeted quantity minus actual quantity, into outer column standard rate per unit. So then what you do? For every what you call a mathematical formula, add and deduct something. So BQ minus AQ you have, BQ minus AQ you have. In between, what is left out now? SQ. So add and deduct SQ. So BQ minus AQ. So add and deduct what? SQ. So BQ minus SQ will come on the left side. That is called capacity variance. SQ minus AQ will come on the right side. It's called efficiency variance. Normally, you should stop there. However, the day information is separately given. Additionally, you may also have to compute the calendar variance.
Calendar variance.
So on the left side, capacity variance itself, what you had BQ minus SQ, add and deduct the RBQ, revised budgeted quantity. So BQ minus RBQ will give you calendar variance, and the balance RBQ minus SQ will give you other capacity variance. The capacity may vary because you use additional machinery, additional working hours, double shift, etc. So this is the one part of the story. Same thing on the right hand side. Only thing is, instead of starting with BH minus AH, you should start with what? Budgeted hours minus
Standard hours.
Budgeted hours minus standard. So you'll have confusion. Sir, left hand side you use the actual quantity, right side you're using standard hours. My dear friends, standard is always for
Actual.
So whatever hours I'm using, standard hours is always for actual output. So budgeted hours minus standard hours also remains absolutely same. Understanding? So
Yes, sir.
SH you started. That means what you're not used already, AH. Add and deduct AH. So then you'll get the capacity variance and efficiency variance. Again, if the calendar information is given, RBH, revised budgeted hours. So I hope you are able to recall that formula. One more special point is, Don't go by mathematical approach. In every other cost variance I said, within the bracket, that formula you have to see. Let us say material variance. You're talking about the price. Standard rate minus actual rate. If you get positive figure, it is a favorable variance. Negative figure, it is a adverse variance. Whereas when it comes to the fixed overhead, don't go by that. Use little bit of common sense. 100 lakh is the rent of a building. We budgeted 1 lakh units. What is the rent to be charged per unit? 100 lakh by 1 lakh is equal to rupees 100. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
So 1 lakh is the budgeted volume. Now, if the output is 2 lakh, 100 lakh by 2 lakh, fixed overhead rate per unit comes down to 50. What is the amount I'm charging to the shirt? What should have been 100? Now it comes to how much? Rupees
50.
Are you happy or not happy?
50.
You're happy or not happy? Able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you should be
Yes,
be
sir.
happy because you expected 1 lakh units, but you manufactured 2 lakh units. Out of the volume variance, if you see, BQ minus AQ, BQ is 1 lakh. Actual quantity is what?
2
Actual
lakh.
2 lakh.
2 lakh. So it becomes negative, but negative is also good because you manufactured more. Whenever you manufacture more, fixed overhead rate per unit will come down. Fixed overhead rate per unit will come down because of that. It is a favorable. Next example, each case you have to take independently. You should not go by plus or minus. Next example, calendar variance. Please take one at a time. Don't get confused with too many things. When you look at calendar, you should not look at anything else. I budgeted 24 days, 24 working days in a month. I worked for 25 days. Happy or not happy? Company's angle. Obviously, as an employee, as an article, you may not like to work more. But as a company point of view, please understand. Tomorrow you are going to be what you call chartered accountant. You are going to be an industrialist. From your point of view, happy or unhappy? It is a happy scenario.
Happy.
It's a happy scenario because you worked 1 day extra. Your output will be more. Volume will be more. So you calendar variance. Actual days are more happy. Actual days are lesser. Okay, it is unhappy. Understanding?
Yes,
This
sir.
is the way
sir.
we should interpret. And the most crucial job in a overhead variance is making the data. Now, to look at this beautiful question, what we solved, where the data compilation itself will take half the job. Once you do it, then you can fill the figures and go ahead. Shall we start?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Are you ready for the show?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Start. Kirti, over to you. Simple question. Keep the data perfectly in your brain, so that I keep on repeating these numbers again and again. You should be able to give the answer just like this. Shall we start? And this question you solve on 2 times or 3 times. In and out of overheads, you'll understand. Any question under the sky, you'll be able to do it. They may twist the language, they may give straight, whatever way, you'll be able to do the problem. Shall we start?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Kirti, over to you.
Standard costing overheads variance. First one, XYZ Limited has furnished you
Little louder. Can you be a little more louder?
XYZ has furnished you the following information for the month of August 2020. Particulars, budget and actual. Output units, hours, fixed overheads, variable overheads, working days. Calculate overhead variance.
That's it. So now quantity detail also I wanted you to read in this question. Now read slowly. Only budgeted column. Repeat that. Yeah.
Output 30,000, hours 30,000, fixed overheads
So
45,000.
in a month, all these are for one particular month, August month. We are doing this discussion in August month. You remember this, August 2020. Today's date you can remember. Okay. So in this month, 30,000 units we budgeted. How many hours we budgeted? 30,000 hours. So 30,000 hours hengagatte sir anta. Sir, my dear friends, it is not of one employee. All the employees put together multiply by the number of hours. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes,
Like in a day, I say 80 working hours. Sir, how is it possible, sir? 24 hours are there in a day. Hello, I'm talking about 10 employees into 8 working hours. 80 working hours. Understanding?
Yes,
So now
sir.
here only the data, suddenly your data mining, you should start from here, data mining. What? 30,000 units. Luckily, it's one of the easiest way approach. 30,000 units for 30,000 hours. So look at this. Input output ratio. Last class I discussed 2 meters for one shirt. 2 meters for one shirt. Where input is more, output is less. Second example, I have shown sugar cane, one big bada sugar cane with 5 glasses of juice. one input, multiple output. They are opposite examples. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shirt case ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 meter input, one output. Sugarcane example, one input, 5 output. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All of you are able to understand, my dear friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, brilliant, brilliant. So here, luckily, 30,000 units, 30,000 hours. Units per hour, 1. Hours per unit, 1.
One.
Sir, sir, I'm confused. I'll repeat. Forget about this example because this is very easy. Let us say 10 hours are available. 10 hours are available. Understand carefully. For 5 units. 5 units. For 5 units, how many hours are available?
10
10
hours.
hours.
All this understanding is extremely important. See, some people try to by heart and that's where they get stuck in CA course. Don't go for by heart. By hearting will not help you out. So, 5 units, 5 shirts, how many hours available?
10.
10 hours.
So, I say hours per shirt. Wait. Don't go into too much confusion. When I say hours per unit, first I start with hours. Hours divided by units. First, when I say hours per unit, what should I say? First, what did I say? Hours. Hours divided by units. How many hours?
10
divided
hours.
by 5.
Divided by 5. How many hours
5.
per unit?
2.
2 hours.
2 hours per unit. Clear about it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let me ask Ulta. Units per hour. In 1 hour, how many units I can do? Don't get confused. Wait. No urgency. Units per hour. Units divided by hours. How many units?
5.
5 units.
Divided by how many hours?
10 hours.
10 hours.
10 hours.
10. That unit. So 5 by 10 is equal to 0.5. That means in 1 hour I can do only half the
Half.
shirt. In another 1 hour I'll do another half. That's how in 2 hours I'll do 1 unit. Have you understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
So if without using any brain, if I say units per hour, what will you do?
Units divided by hours.
Excellent, Sharanya.
Divided
If
by
I say
hours.
hours per unit, what will you do?
Hours divided by
Hours divided by
units.
units.
Okay, right. If I say minutes per shirt, what will you do?
Minutes divided
Minutes
by
divided by
output.
Hours.
Output. Output per minute, what will you do?
Output divided by
divided
number
by
of minutes.
units.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this question, 30,000 hours for 30,000 units. That means 1 unit per hour or 1 hour per unit.
Or per
All of you
unit.
understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Standard data. Standard is always budgeted by budgeted. Yesterday I told you. Budgeted in total divided by budgeted in units in total is equal to standard. I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
Remember this because
Yes,
when you
sir.
do the problem, everything you should recall today. Yeah, continue. Ma.
Fixed overheads 45,000. Variable overhead
So,
60,000.
overhead 45,000. 45,000 divided by 30,000 will give you fixed overhead per unit. 45,000 divided by 30,000 hours will
1.5
give you fixed overhead per hour. ಒಂದು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? For 1 hour, how much? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, continue.
Yes, sir. Working days 25.
Yeah,
Actual
same way variable
output.
order, then working days 25. If you want how many units per day, everything you can do mirchi masala in this question. Anything under the sky, if you want, I can give you. I have done exhaustive discussion on this, sir. It is not to expect the question in the exam, it is to understand the concept because many people say fixed order is tough. I will make it chiller today. Are you ready for the same?
Yes, sir.
Start. Same way, actual information is available. So 25 working days are budgeted and 26 working days are actual. Come down. First, so start, open your notebook. Keep writing along with the answer. Information is available here. Every time. So you look at the way our presentation is that. Okay, A means adverse danger. F means favorable. Green signal. Oh, aage jao. Yeah. So on the top rightmost column, right? Actual output 32,500. You should always start with this. Standard is always for Mahati.
Actual.
Actual. Mahati, you are muted or you are not able to unmute? It's okay, no problem. Yeah. You're not able to unmute, is it? It's okay. No, Sadek, it's okay, I think. I'll try something. I don't know. Yeah. So continue. I think it's by mistake unmuted. It's okay. You show your reaction. Yeah. Fine. Action speaks louder than the voice of them. Yeah. So actual output, all of you at 32,500. Use this
Sir, actual 32,500 output. Hours 33,000.
Left side is only output based. Okay, you write down. So budgeted quantity, how much? 30,000 units. Able to hear me?
30,000.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, perfect. Then budgeted hours, everything left side is what? Budgeted. Budgeted hours, left side, you go by only budgeted. Budgeted hours, 30,000. Once you write budgeted units, again you don't have to write 30,000 units, but nevertheless, 30,000 units. Variable overheads, again, budgeted variable, everything is variable overheads.
60,000.
Budgeted variable overheads. Able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, under the left side, so we are talking only about budgeted. Under that, two RMRs. Left side, right neatly. Standard variable overhead per unit. So now it is unit based. No confusion, no confusion. Standard variable overhead per unit is equal to budgeted variable overhead divided by budgeted quantity.
Quantity.
How much you get? Is equal to rupees 60,000. Rupees 60,000 divided by 30,000 units is equal to rupees 2 per unit.
2.
I hope you are able to understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Make a circle for rupees 2 per unit. Right side. Standard variable overhead per hour. Per hour. Now it is hours based. Standard variable overhead per hour is equal to Cheppandi.
Budgeted
Budgeted
variable overhead
variable
divided by
overhead divided by
budgeted
budgeted
hours.
hours.
Budgeted
No urgency, no
variable-
urgency. It's a concept problem. Go slow. Then while practicing sums, go at a rocket speed. I love it. Or
Is
Chetty
1
sir
per hour.
speed. Faster than rocket speed if you want. Yeah, only when it is required. Is equal to rupees 60,000 divided by 30,000 hours. Write all those things. Just don't write 30,000 by 60,000 or whatever. Rupees 60,000. Later on, you should know what is rupees, what is hours, what is units. Everything you should know. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Rupees 60,000 divided by 30,000 hours is equal to rupees 2 per unit.
Sir, 2 per hour.
Rupees 2 per hour. Very good. I like it. I wanted that correction immediately. Intentionally, I said. So left side is rupees 2 per unit. Now it is rupees 2 per
Hour.
hour. Hour. Done? All of you are done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So on the right side, I would suggest all of you use the blue ink now for your notes, for the better presentation of notes. All of you are able to understand? Chinmay? Yeah, continue. Right side. Right side. Actual, right side, actual quantity. Right side. Actual quantity 32,500 units. Actual hours 33,000. Variable overhead 68,000. Rupees 68,000. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actual quantity 32,500 units. Actual hours, right side board, copy ಮಾಡಿ ಸದ್ಯ copy ಮಾಡಿ, but use the brain later. Actual hours 33,000. Variable overhead, actual variable overhead 68,000. Which ink you are using now?
Blue ink.
Blue.
Blue ink. Under that, 2 RMRs.
2 are marks.
Same consistent approach. Consistency is the beauty. Even AS1 says that. Going concern, equivalent consistency, fundamental accounting assumptions in account subject. Left side.
Okay.
Actual variable overhead per unit is equal to formula. Hele, Rakshita.
Actual variable overhead divided by actual quantity.
Excellent, excellent, Sharanya. Actual variable overhead divided by actual quantity is equal to rupees 68,000 divided by 32,500 units.
Units.
And every time when there's a decimal, to start with, always take 4 decimals. 4 decimal. At the end, the final answer, you can round it up to 2 decimals in the examination. start with the 4 decimals. Always start with the 4 decimals.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Equal to rupees 2.0923
0923
0923.
per unit. Again, when you write on the top per unit, it is not required to write again per unit. But as a student, as a learner, you write no problem. Understanding is more important as of now. 2.0923 per unit. Right side. Actual
variable
overhead per
overhead
hour.
per hour.
actual variable overhead per hour. Actual variable overhead per hour. How much?
68,000
Actual variable
Equal
overhead
to actual variable overhead divided by
divided by actual hours.
actual hours is equal to
Rupees 68,000 divided by 33,000 units.
excellent.
hours.
Rupees 68,000. Thank you for all those chatting also. Very good, Shashikala, Kirti, Sandhya. Very good. Rupees 68,000 divided by 33,000 hours is equal to rupees 2.0606 per hour.
06 per hour.
Yeah. So you can slightly come down, ma. These are data required for what? Variable overheads.
Overhead.
Yeah. Next. Yeah. So the further information. Okay. Further. Next. Left side. Again, left side only. Left side black ink. Right side red ink. Further, 2 RMRs. You don't have to go for so much elaborate discussion in your examination. You can straight away keep on doing the calculation and do it. But as a learner, let us go slowly. I hope you're understanding.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Further, left side. Standard hours per unit is important for both. Standard hours per unit is equal to, when I say hours per unit, numerator should be
Hours
budgeted
divided by
hours. Units.
budgeted hours divided by budgeted units.
Budgeted
So
units.
budgeted quantity. One way it is easy, one way it is confusing. 30,000 by 30,000, it is easy. But hours per unit or units per hour, confusing. That's a write neatly. 30,000 hours divided by 30,000 units is equal to how much?
1 hour
Rupee
1 hour
one.
per unit.
1 hour per unit. 1 hour per unit. Right side. Standard units per hour. Standard units per hour is equal to formula.
Budgeted quantity by budgeted hours.
Very good. Budgeted units divided by budgeted hours. Budgeted units divided by budgeted hours is equal to 1 unit per hour. One unit per hour. Next. Shall we continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Complete right side. Which ink?
Blue ink.
All of you try to use that 4-color ink. It is very good for understanding the subject. I'm an MSc in psychology. I'm telling you, I learned 100 marks classroom psychology where you use multiple colors. The mind will grasp in a better way, retain in a better way. Just to trust and go ahead. And just by trusting, people have got all India first ranks also. Yeah, just to trust for the time. Okay, Mati? Perfect. I can hear you, ma. Feeling. Yeah. Bhavanam ko samjho. Yeah, completely right side. Further, actual hours per unit is equal to, write little faster now because you are mastered it, is equal to actual hours divided by actual quantity is equal to 33,000 hours divided by 32,500 units is equal to 1.0154 per unit. If there is any point difference, you let me know.
Yes,
Getting it?
sir.
Same answer.
Yes, sir.
Right side, actual units per hour is equal to, this table is important for fixed overhead also. Actual units per hour is equal to actual units divided by actual hours is equal to 32,500 divided by 33,000
Units.
is equal to
0.9848 unit per hour.
0.9848 unit per hour. Perfect. So whatever we did till now is the data. First data in your only for variable load. This data can be used for variable and fixed. Same data. Units and hours information is same, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
only amount changes. Now, so A is data. Consistency, presentation should be neat and clean. So in CA exam again, they also look at the way you present. Concise, to the point, perfect answer. So next line, separate ink. You can use a different ink. Heading B. So under variable, Roman number 1 is variable overhead variances. Under that what? Under that what? A is
B.
data.
Data.
B is what? Computation of variable overhead variances. Computation of
Variable
overhead variances.
variances.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Next line. Total variable overhead variance is equal to. Write the formula and get the answer. No direct answering. Total variable overhead variance is equal to same traditional formula. Standard variable overhead for actual output. Standard variable overhead for actual output minus
Actual variable
Actual
overhead for actual
overhead
output.
for actual output.
actual variable overhead for actual
Actual
output.
output.
Actual output.
Standard is always for
Actual.
Actual.
standard is always for
Actual.
keep on
Actual.
but going, yeah, is equal to standard variable overhead for actual output. Yes, so what is the actual output of the top year return?
32,500.
32,500 into rupees 2 per unit.
Two
Working
per
notes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ. Look up.
Yes, sir.
32,500 into rupees 2 per unit minus rupees 68,000. This is if it is unit based. Here variable overhead unit based, hour based, no difference at all. Or look at this. Or 32,500 units into how many hour per unit?
Two.
How many
Same,
units?
sir.
How many hours per unit? 1 hour.
Yes, sir. 1 hour.
32,500 units into 1 hour
1 hour.
into rupees 2 per hour. See, my dear friends, in this case, both are same. That's why you may have little confusion also. First, I did unit 32,500 units into rupees 2. Second one, if I want to go by hours, 32,500 units into 1 unit requires how many hour? 1 hour into 1 hour into rupees 2 per hour. Understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Minus 68,000. How much you get?
3,000 favorable.
Favorable adverse.
Favorable.
We are in variable overhead. Variable overhead is same like material.
Adverse.
Adverse. So you get negative on the adverse.
Adverse.
Actual is more than standard.
Standard.
Be happy for it. 3,000 adverse. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3,000 adverse. Come down, Ganesh. Under that, underline that, and one sentence you write. Red ink, right? All of write in red ink. 3,000 adverse. A in adverse. If you want red color, you can put. So normally we look at me. Stop. Listen to me. Normally variable overhead, we stop at this. However, when the hourly data is given, then only you have to go for subvariance. Otherwise, no subvariance as far as the variable overheads are concerned. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yo, right. Since hourly data is given, compute the subvariances also. So 2 big error marks. Go by chart approach. C Institute is also following chart approach. So earlier they were not. They are following. Okay, I'm happy for it. So in caps actually. So I was following this approach for last 20 years plus. So chart approach only. Chetty sir means chart. Chart means chart accountant. That's the way it has been made name in the public. So go by chart approach. And it's beautiful. Ultimately, you have to convey the information in the crisp and better way. 2 big error marks. Left side. Variable overhead expenditure variance. So here instead of using the word price, what is the word used?
Expenditure.
Material price, labor rate, variable overhead expenditure variance. Also, I'll give one beautiful table at the end where everything is interconnected. Remind me today only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Variable load expenditure variance is equal to expenditure means what? Which is the bracket? Price.
Price.
Bracket price. Which is the bracket? SR minus AR
R.
into you have to go by only R's because it is only hourly information. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, standard rate minus actual rate into actual hours. So when you take an actual hours, all information should be hourly based. Am I fast?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Comfortable. I'm taking the help of only 3-4 students because some of you have a network issue. That's why I don't want a disturbance. Is equal to 2 minus the data is there on the top. Hourly data. How much is the actual rate per hour? Look at that. Look at that. In your notebook only. In your notebook only.
2.0606.
Perfect. 2.0606. 2 minus 2.0606. Close the bracket into actual hours. How much?
33,000.
33,000.
Trambake Devi
Narayani Namostute.
Narayani Namostute is equal to 2000. Which is the bracket, Rakshita? Plus or minus?
Sir.
Which is the
So
bracket,
2
plus or
minus 2
ah?
point minus.
Minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ negative. Negative on the adverse.
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 Sudiksha, even though it is unmuted, you can respond by just like this. Yo, yeah, or Sandhya, or Ganesh, or Dhanush, or Akhilesh, or Puneet. Nishita, yaar bekar kodbo, Shashikala. Yo, thank you. Yeah, continue. Istmantama,
2000.
adverse.
follow Shetty sir strictly, at least till you become CA, you will get success. See, what do you mean by that? Had you taken 2 decimal, you would not have got 2000 round number. You would have got some what you call rounding of difference. Why simply tension? It almost 1999.9 Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's why take 4 decimal. Strictly follow. You will take 4 decimal. You want marks, at least if you get 3-digit number, you want 3-digit number, take 4 decimal. 3-digit number artha hai talva?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
100 out of 100 if you want.
100.
Follow it. Just to follow. If you follow 4 decimal, 3-digit marks. Yo. Yeah. 2000 adverse. Right side. Variable overhead, volume variance. Everything should be hours based. Variable overhead, confusion illa. Everything. I repeat this for the benefit of all my friends. Sir, fixed overhead only we have hours based, unit based. Variable overhead normally we go by total variance. Only hours information is given, we go for subvariance. That means subvariance should be based on
Oh, hours based.
hours based only. How can see? Because we are saying subvariance will do only if there is
Hours.
hour information. That means the information should be based on
Hours.
Hours.
hours or yours. Use only hours. HOURS. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Everything is hours. No problem. In our school at the end of the day. We have forgotten almost our school, isn't it? Yeah. We have forgotten our school also. We have forgotten our school caps also as of now. Yeah. So right side variable overhead volume variance is equal to, which is the bracket volume. Standard hours or budgeted hours, whatever you call. Here the right word is standard hours. Don't use the budgeted. Standard hours minus actual hours.
Actual hour.
Correct no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Standard hours only in fixed overhead we use the word budgeted. Here we use the word standard hours. Standard is always for
Actual.
Actual.
minus actual hours into standard rate per hour. Per hour or per unit?
Per
Per
hour.
hour.
Per hour. So is equal to, use the square bracket, small bracket, 32,500 units into 1 hour. Standard is always for Sandhya. Very good. Standard is always for
Actual.
Actual.
actual. See, you keep on telling. I know it will be a little boring again and again. Can't help it. 3 times a day we eat, no, for last 20 years, but still it is not boring. Enjoy. Enjoy education. Enjoy the suffering. If it is suffering, enjoy. Because it is 3-4 years of majja. After that, lifelong you can enjoy. I will tell you a story later about some chocolate bridge where I read a beautiful article yesterday where the bridge has been constructed so to withstand all the hurricane, storm, etc. So against the river. And once it so happened that huge storm, the river went to toss everything. Nothing happened to the bridge, but river itself actually has been subsumed. It has completely gone in a different way. So what is the use of that bridge? What is the beautiful bridge? Now it is only in the photo shoot. Nowhere else. There is no river only. It has gone a different way. There's a story about that. Maybe I'll share with you a little later. So like this, whatever we have done all these earlier years may be excellent But because of Corona now, all our adaptability has to be changed. We need to be extremely flexible, adaptable. That's the beauty of the story. So here also, standard is always for what I said, actual. In the bracket, 32,500 units into 1 hour, close the bracket, minus actual are 33,000,
33,000.
close the square bracket, neat. Most of the time, ನಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಪನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Keep it close. 30,000 into rupees 2. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Rupees 2. Yo. Mati, ఏమండి? Yes. Continue. So, how much you get, Baba?
1,000.
1,000 adverse.
1,000?
Adverse.
Adverse.
Adverse. Antasri. Correct? Yes. Yeah. Go on. Very good. Reaction like this is also good. Yeah. Next what? So, how much you got? Ultimate 1,000 adverse. So,
Yes, sir.
I also told you in the last class, by going by the chart approach, if top is 3,000 adverse, left side is 2,000 adverse, right side has
Balance
to be
will
1,000
be
adverse. If you get any other figure, it is nonsense. It cannot happen. It cannot happen. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fine. So, and our reconciliation also automatically happen. This is one of the reason I request you to go by chart approach only, irrespective of how much expert in any other area. And even if you by mistakes use some other data, by mistake the standard hours you have taken wrongly, at least you know you should get 1,000 adverse. You arrive at that data. Possible. That much of mathematical common sense we have.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yo.
Yes,
Next.
sir.
Come down. That's it. Beauty. Yeah. Come down, sir. Yeah. So we are done discuss as of now about
Variable overhead.
Now look at the beauty. Roman number 2. In a different thing, you can start. Fixed overhead variances. Now let's be a little more alert and active.
So voice is breaking, sir.
Fixed overhead variances.
Sir,
Underline. Maybe you can write in a blue ink or black ink heading.
sir, voice is breaking.
Yeah. And on the left side, which ink we have used in our notes, not compulsory, but consistently let us follow the same thing. Left side, you are able to hear me? You are able to
Now we are able to hear, sir.
now?
Now,
Now-
sir. Yes, sir.
Now.
Some small network issue, I think. Now it's all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Brilliant. So left side, which ink I said?
Black.
Black ink. Yeah.
Black.
All of you quickly write now. The similar information. BQ. You can write now short form, no problem. BQ. What is BQ, Andrea?
Budgeted
quantity.
quantity.
30,000 units. Budgeted hours. You should know these figures. Already you have written twice.
30,000.
30,000.
30,000. Budgeted fixed overhead. Now look at me. This is again one more confusion. Now you have to look only at fixed overhead. So your wife and your wife's friend is standing there. So earlier you are looking at your wife's friend. Okay. Hi sister, you can say. Now you are looking at your wife. Only wife. Wife is fixed overhead. Fixed. Yakade? The wife's friends, they variable. They keep on changing. Wife is fixed. Tane.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That's it. So fixed. So you should look only at fixed. So once you look at variable, once you look at fixed overhead, full chitrana. Don't do that. At a consistency. Now only fixed overhead. No variable overhead done. Kill khatam. Your wife's friend has already gone. Don't look at her. Yeah, your wife will hit you if you do that. Yeah. So budgeted fixed overhead 45,000 rupees. 45,000. Budgeted working days 25.
25.
I want now days also extra information. I'm going one step ahead. Are you ready?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So under the 3 RMRs. First one. If you want to be smarter, you can write below the RMR standard. Then you can say per unit, per hour, per day. That also you can do it. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you want to be smart. Left side standard fixed overhead per unit. Is equal to budgeted fixed overhead divided by budgeted quantity is equal to rupees 45,000 divided by 30,000 units.
1.5 per unit.
1.5. Vanakkam, sir. 45,000 divided by 30,000 units is equal to rupees 1.5 per hour.
Per unit.
Per unit.
That's what I repeatedly, intentionally I do some mistakes. Please be with me to correct. I may be wrong. You cannot be wrong. Is equal to 45,000 rupees. 45,000 divided by 30,000 units is equal to rupees 1.5 per
Unit
Per unit.
second error mark. Standard fixed overhead per hour.
per hour.
Budgeted fixed overhead. Budgeted fixed overhead divided by budgeted hours
Budgeted hours.
is equal to
Rupees
rupees
45,000
45,000 divided by 30,000 units hours
Hours.
hours.
is equal to 1.5 per unit, correct?
No, sir.
Per hour.
1.5 per hour.
Very good. You are in the class. Excellent. 1.5 per hour. Last error mark
Per day.
under that. Sudiksha. And fixed overhead per day.
Per day.
Any information given, I can do, sir. Per day, per unit, per hour, per minute. Anything you want, I can do it. Today you are expert in that. Standard fixed overhead, Shashikala. Very good, ma. Standard fixed overhead per day is equal to budgeted fixed overhead divided by budgeted days.
Days.
Working days.
How much?
45,000
45,000
divided by 25 days.
Payal, very good.
1,800 per day.
1,800 per.
Excellent. Excellent. Sudiksha, Kirti, Payal. 1,800 per day. सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. So same thing you will do on the right side. Now let us go a little faster. Right side. AQ. Cheppandi.
32,500
Yeah.
units.
32,500 units.
Hours.
32,500 units. 32,500 units. Actual hours 33,000. Actual fixed overhead rupees 50,000.
50,000.
Actual days, or actual working days
26
26.
days.
Happening.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Under that 3 RMRs. First one, actual fixed overhead per unit. Neat-ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Shortcut FOH ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Per unit ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀ. ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಚಿತ್ರಾನ್ನ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Actual fixed overhead per unit is equal to write again. Any laziness?
No, sir.
No,
Keep
sir.
it outside the CA course. Keep it outside. Yeah. Success is 1 inch outside your
Outside.
comfort zone,
Outside your
2 inches inside your effort zone. Success is 1 inch outside your comfort zone. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ you have come out of your comfort. I know early morning sleeping अच्छा लगता है, but permanently sleep ಆಗಬೇಕು. We are not interested. And 2 inches inside your effort zone. Put your 120% effort. Success जक मार के आएगा. CA is a chiller course, jujube course. Put the hard work. Even if you are what you call the 60%, 40%, 50%, 10th PU, you can pass CA in first attempt. We have records. Our students have done it. Yeah. 10th standard, one student has written second time. Supplementary student, but CA, foundation, intern, and final, all the 3 first attempt. My proud student, practicing chartered account now. Yeah. Continue. So, 3 RMRs. Madhura, actual
Yes,
fixed
sir.
overhead per unit, rupees 50,000 divided by 32,500 units is equal to 1.5385.
0.53
Yeah.
yes, sir.
पायल
Per unit.
पायल कितना डेसिमल्स बोला मैंने? पायल
1.53846.
846 85 होगा.
85.
Yes, sir.
पायल कितना डेसिमल बोला मैंने? 2 बोला, 4 बोला? I have told 4. Don't go for shortcut. Yeah, 4 means 4 decimal. 1.5385 per unit. Second error. Shortcuts will cut short your life. Don't go for shortcut. CA course, no shortcut. No shortcut for success. Fixed overhead per unit is equal to, you can keep writing, rupees 50,000 divided by 33,000 is equal to 1.5152 per hour. 1.5152 per hour.
R.
Next, last one. Actual fixed overhead per day
Per
is
day.
equal to actual fixed overhead divided by actual days. Examination, one place you write the formula, that's enough. So very good, Ananta. 1923.0769. Now it's all right, Payal. Per day, right? Per day. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want you to do one circus. Honestly, very good. What you can do is, all of you consistently use the same color. What I'm saying, same color. All of you. First one, come back to the extreme left. Stand fixed toward per unit 1.5 area.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, that one should be blue ink color circle 1.5. Second one, per hour, black ink color circle. Next, stand fixed toward 1000 area per green ink color circle. I said what? Blue, black, and green.
Green.
Next, again, same way, 1.5385. Which ink?
Blue ink.
Blue. 1.5152.
Black.
Black. Last one,
Green.
green. Because subsequently, when we use the data, I will get confused. The examination also, you may not be able to use the color pens. At least what you call do some notation for your understanding. Single star, double star, hashtag you can use. So single star means per unit base. Double star means what you call hour based. The hashtag you can use for what? Day
Yes.
based. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
These are all the smart approach, because subsequently when I do, you have so many figures, 6 figures on the top, okay, and we are not stopped it, so we'll get confused. That's why use these notations. It will be easy for you. Quickly you can connect. So one is black, one is blue, one is green. Example is single star, double star, hashtag. No problem. You can use that. No issue at all. Come down. Going good. Going good. Enjoying.
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay. Then this information, part of this information we have already done, but let us redo it further. Quickly or right. 2 arrow marks, left side. Black ink. Black alwa.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, right? Standard hours per unit is equal to BH by BQ. We have already done this on the top. We have little extra information. We are rewriting. No problem. Is equal to 30,000 hours divided by 30,000 units is equal to 1 hour per unit. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
कुछ हो रहा है? कोई मिल गया? नहीं. Second arrow mark. Standard units per hour is equal to budgeted units divided by budgeted hours. ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Per hour units by hour, hours by units ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Hours by units.
apple
Hour per
students,
unit.
apple by students. Students per apple ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Students by hours.
Students by apple.
simple. 30,000 units divided by 30,000 hours is equal to 1 unit per hour. Next, add quantity per day. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಓರ್ಡರ್ ಡೇ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ is not relevant. We didn't go by that. Let's say further information is equal to budgeted quantity divided by budgeted days. Special thanks to Surabhi and Grishma for the brilliant compilation of the chart, etc. They have done it. Thanks to them. Budgeted quantity divided by budgeted days is equal to 30,000 units divided by 25 days. Is equal to
1,200.
1,000 units per day. Units per day. One day, we can manufacture 1,200. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Last arrow mark. Standard hour per day. Hours per day. First one is units per day. Now hours per day is equal to budgeted hours divided by budgeted days. Ready?
1,200.
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 1,200 hours per day.
Day.
Here also, okay, you can use the different colors. I know little confusion, but it's okay. Use 1 per hour per unit. Adana blue ink, black ink, green ink, last one red ink. Blue, black,
Green.
green and red. Consistently same colors you follow. All of you are following?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
From last 5 years, I'm using this color combination in my teaching. Okay. So, and I'm sure all of you are happy. At least CPD background people tell me you are happy with that.
Yes, sir.
Is it useful for you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
See, this is the beauty of life. You know, when you're doing it, it's little difficult. You take that pen, this pen, etc. But when you read it, no, you will make your life beautiful. That's why I always say, sweat now, you don't have to bleed tomorrow. A person who sweats in the practice field doesn't have to bleed in the war field. Now, struggle today for the better tomorrow. struggle today for the better tomorrow. Completely right side. Further, father baribedino. Further. Writing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Further. Tell me.
Actual hours per unit.
Same thing. Yeah. Actual hours per unit. Actual hours per unit. How much?
Actual hour by
Actual hours by
Actual hours
actual
by
quantity.
actual unit.
quantity.
Yeah. 33,000 hours. I know it's repetition of so many times, but let it be registered properly. 33,000 hours divided by 32,500 units is equal to 1.0154 hours per unit. Second column, second arrow mark. Actual units per hour is equal to actual quantity divided by actual hours is equal to 32,500 units divided by 33,000 hours
33,000.
is equal to 0.9848 units per hour. Third arrow mark. Actual units per day. Same consistency you have to follow. First hours per unit, then units per hour, then units per day, then hours per day. Actual units divided by actual days. 32,500 units divided by 26 days.
26.
1250 units per day. All of you are writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 1,200.
Last one. You have to improve the speed now. Actual hours per day. Actual hours divided by
Actual
Actual
days.
days.
actual days divided by
Actual
whatever.
hours by actual days.
33,000 hours divided by 26 days is equal to 1269.2308 hours per day. Very good. So use blue, black, green, and red ink circle. Left side is the standard data, right side is the hourly data. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yo. Yeah. Next, red ink color. Put little down. Finish. Yeah. Red ink color. Red ink color. Okay. Further, within the bracket, only for fixed overhead. This information we don't use anywhere else. Only for fixed overhead. Under that you write X1, budgeted, right on the top, budgeted, then 4 RMRs. X1, it is not printed there, you write X1, budgeted, 4 RMRs. Under that, A, budgeted quantity, it is compilation, we are not doing anything further. BQ, 30,000 units, AQ, 32,500 units. I'm repeatedly repeating. Look at the small pataka, small question, but the data comparison only. Exam only, you don't have to go for so elaborative. This is only to understand the concept. And see the way. Next question on the 5-10 minutes will be able to solve it if you know this. BQ 30,000 units, AQ 32,500 units. Next, budget hours 30,000, actual hours 33,000.
33,000.
Budgeted working days 25, actual working days 26. Budgeted fixed overhead 45,000, actual fixed overhead 50,000.
50,000.
Ali heading ali what do you write? X1 only for fixed overhead. X1 what do you write?
Budgeted.
Budgeted.
Budgeted bar actual in total. Budgeted bar actual in total. हो गया? हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Next, X2. Next chart. Standard data. Don't say units, sir. Standard data is right. Standard data. Standard is always based on actual output. Am I right?
Actual.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, standard data within the bracket always for actual. Actual. It may be actual hours irbodu, actual output irbodu, actual days irbodu. Anything you can do it. This is the beauty. Beautiful chart. 4 RMRs. Understanding?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Four RMRs. Left side again. A standard quantity for actual hours. Go slow, go slow, go slow. Standard quantity for
Actual hours.
Actual hours.
actual hours.
1.
Standard quantity for actual hours is equal to, always write this formula. You write ulta. Actual hours into standard quantity per hour. Look at me, look at me. If I say units per hour, I said units by hours. Here when I say standard quantity for actual hours, write ulta. What is the second word? Actual
Actual
hours.
hours.
Actual.
Into standard quantity per hour. That's the way you should write. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So standard is equal to actual hours 33,000 into standard quantity
Standard
per
quantity
hour
per
1
hour.
is equal to
1.
33,000 units. Any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Second one, small b. These are all the basic school level maths. Small b, standard hours for actual quantity. What do you start with then?
Actual
Actual
quantity.
quantity
Very
into
good.
standard hour per unit.
Actual quantity into standard hours per unit. Standard hours per unit. Standard hours per unit is equal to 32,500 units into 1.
1.
32,500 hours. Last arrow mark. Last but one. C. RBQ for this calendar variance. With number of days are given.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
When
sir.
number of days are given, we also require revised budget quantity.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So RBQ, Matigaro, revised budgeted quantity is equal to RBQ for actual days. RBQ is always for actual days. It is also generally called standard quantity for actual days. But here we use the word revised budget quantity. Revised budgeted quantity for actual days within the bracket, right? It is also called what? Standard quantity for actual days. You can use that word, no problem. Standard quantity for actual days is equal to what you should start with the Saranya.
Actual days.
Actual days.
Very good. Excellent. Beauty. And then you remind me about that. Also, I'll give you a note. Actual days into standard quantity per day. I hope all of you are enjoying.
Yes, sir.
No standard topic today. I want after you do this again and again on 2-3 times, you should say it's a chiller topic. Anybody ask, okay, come, I'll teach you. That's the way. Is equal to 26 days into
1,200 units.
is equal to 31,200.
Right.
Little
Units.
important discussion. That's why no jokes in between. And then we'll tell the jokes if required. Subject, let us be serious. Okay?
Yes,
But
sir.
keep
sir.
smiling. Right side. 31. Last one. Standard fixed overhead for actual output is equal to ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಶರಣ್ಯ?
Actual output into standard fixed overhead per unit.
Is equal to actual output into standard fixed overhead per unit. 32,500 units into 1.5. ನೋಡಿ ಅక్కడ ಚೂಡು ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡು. ಎಲ್ಲ
1.5.
ಚಿತ್ರಾನ್ನ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಈಗ. There is a positive high ಚಿತ್ರಾನ್ನ, left, right, etc. Now you have to see 1.5 per unit. Here
Yes,
at least
sir.
your life is saved because budgeted and standard hours are same. 30,000. ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ question?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Today only we started the question. I hope you remember this.
Yes, sir.
1.5 per unit or look at me. You can express the overhead either based on units or based on hours.
Hours.
Or based on
Fixed or
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
unit or yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
or standard fixed overhead for standard hours. Standard fixed overhead for standard hours for actual output. Ultimately actual output only. standard fixed overhead for standard hours of actual output. You try to ulta now. Is equal to actual output is to. How much is actual output?
32,500.
5 units into 1 unit. How many hours required?
1 hour.
1 hour.
No.
So 32,500 units into 1 hour. That means standard hours are 32,500 hours. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What should have been the hours? Into standard fixed overhead per hour. Coincidentally, it is same. Is to
1.5.
1.5.
1.5 per hour. 1.25 ಅಲ್ಲ ಶಶಿಕಲಾ 1.5 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
1.5.
1.5.
1.5 per hour. Yeah. Is equal to how much you get?
48,750.
48,050.
150. So I know it will be little tense. You have so many data anta, but when you do the problem, ing barutte answer. Solution will be like this. So again, I would suggest. Okay, come down. One more we'll do it. Then we'll go by that color combination. What is the next one? Fine. This also will do it. Okay, one more. Okay, right done. Please note this repetition doesn't matter. Please note standard is always
Actually.
For actual.
standard is always for actual. Don't say actual output. Standard is always for actual. It means standard can be expressed for any actual information given. This is the one point which most of us will get stuck. Standard can be expressed for any actual information given. Dash, right? But input output should be two different base. It should not be same. Days by days agala. Input output should be two different base. And baby should be two different base. Say hours per unit, units per hour, days per unit, whatever you want to say. Minutes per hour. Minutes per hour, everybody knows. 60 minutes. Units per hour, hours per unit. Hours per unit. Units per hour, days per unit, etc. So next X3. X3. Yeah. Standard quantity bar units for actual. For actual. 4 RMRs. First one, standard quantity for actual. Anything you should be able to play with this number. I know it may not be too interesting because too many calculations. But trust me, once you do this problem, you love fixed order variances. There many people are struggling. So first RMR, standard quantity for actual hours. How much is actual hours? If there's some disturbance, someone please mute yourself. Standard quantity for actual hours, how much? Is equal to actual hours 33,000 into standard quantity per hour. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is equal to 33,000 hours into 1 is equal to 33,000. You can put a double star, just an explanation down. Second error mark. Standard hours for actual quantity. Standard hours for actual quantity is equal to how much?
Actual quantity into standard standard hour.
Actual quantity into standard
Hour per unit.
Standard hours per unit. Actual quantity per unit alla. Actual quantity standard hours per unit. Standard hours per unit ado correction is equal to 32,500 into 1. Third error mark. Standard quantity for actual days. Standard quantity for actual days is equal to
Actual days into standard quantity per hour.
per day. actual days into standard quantity per day.
Per day.
26 days into 1200 is equal to 31,200.
31,200.
Perfect.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Last one. Standard hours for actual days. Correct Sharanya?
Actual days into standard hour per day.
Per day. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. Standard hours for actual days standard hours ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Standard hour.
Is equal to actual days 26 into standard hours per day 1200.
1,200.
31,200. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ 33,000 ಗೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರಿಪಿಟಿಷನ್? ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ, how many units should have been manufactured? How many units should have been manufactured in the given actual hours? In the given actual hours. Able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The given actual hours. The given actual hours. Okay. Next, X4. The last calculation. I think that should be enough. I think there is not the information related to this. Let's not get confused. That's enough. X1. So X1, X2, X3. Did you understand, Baba? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
That's
Yes,
the
sir.
extra information. That is the general note. That is not related to this. That you leave it. Let us not get confused with that. Next. So now all the data, whatever you have. Okay. So keep it ready. Tuck, 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 tuck. You should be able to solve it. Shall we start?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Are you ready for the show?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, start. Capital B. In a different ink we write heading. Computation of fixed overhead variances. Computation of fixed overhead variances. Next. Total fixed. Look at how fast we can do it now. Quickly, you should tell me the correct answer. Total fixed overhead variance is equal to general formula. Formula.
Standard
Give me the
fixed
formula.
Standard
overhead
fixed
for
overhead
for actual output
minus actual fixed overhead for actual
output.
Brilliant. Standard fixed overhead for actual output minus actual fixed overhead for
actual output.
Okay. Already you have done that calculation. See the calculation somewhere on the top. Standard fixed overhead is available in X1, X2, X1. Available?
Yes, sir. 48,750.
48,750.
Available under which category, Baba? X1, X2.
X2.
X2D.
Yeah. So 48,750 minus 50,000 is given in the question.
Yes, sir.
48,750 which is the bracket X2 anta bari. Baradra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And X2 it is there. Athava how many actual units? 32,500. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
32,500 into 1.5
5 hour per
5.
unit.
1.5 units, 1.5 rupees per unit. 1.5 rupees per unit. So 1,002. Positive or negative?
Negative.
Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. That means what?
Favorable.
Adverse. Athava. Look at me. I expected it to be 48,750, but I spent 50,000. Happy or unhappy?
Unhappy.
Adverse. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
2 big arrow marks. Left side. Left side. Expenditure variance. Which one?
Expenditure variance.
Which color? Which color I told you?
Red.
Expenditure is always red ink. Always red ink. Expenditure variance is equal to special formula.
Budgeted
Fixed overhead minus actual fixed
Very
overhead.
good, Sudiksha. You're right. Budgeted fixed overhead minus actual fixed overhead. Excellent, Sudiksha. Red and full stop, she says. She's right. Budgeted fixed overhead minus actual fixed overhead. For this, just look at the question. It is available in the question. How much is there? Budgeted.
45,000.
Look at only fixed overhead. Don't get confused with the variable overhead.
45,000
Correct.
minus 50,000.
45,000 minus 50,000. Always keep the question on the left side so that you'll be comfortably able to do it. 45,000 minus 50,000 is equal to 5,000.
5,000
adverse.
adverse.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ side by side arrow mark ಆಗಿ pencil ಬರೀ information directly in question.
Question.
You don't have to do any calculation for this. Extreme case, last 30 seconds you have to do one question. Fixed expenditure variance question, whatever the information given in the question, just copy and come. You'll get the answer. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 5,000 adverse. Completely right side. The beauty, volume variance.
Volume variance.
Volume variance. That volume variance. So one second. Before the left side, before that, left side fixed expenditure variance. Below that big red color bindi. Ushautupu bindi. Big bindi. Full stop. That means expenditure variance. No more discussion. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right side. Volume variance now. Under volume variance, put big 2 arrow marks. Slightly down, 2 big arrow marks. Extreme left side.
Unit based.
Unit
Unit
based.
based.
Below that you write again. Write again. Volume variance is equal to volume variance is equal to volume under within the bracket quantity.
Quantity.
Within the bracket quantity. BQ minus AQ into
Standard
SR.
SR per unit.
Unit.
SR per unit. What's R?
Yes, sir. Per unit.
Per unit.
SR per unit. Sambar sarala. Within the bracket. How much is the budgeted quantity? Top and load.
30,000
30,000.
minus 32,500.
Question. 30,000 minus 32,500. Close the bracket into 1.5.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
3,750.
Three thousand
750.
750.
750. Adverse or favorable?
Favorable.
Favorable.
Quantity is more.
Because your actual output is more. Actual output is more. Favorable. Green ink favorable. Below that, you write which is the bracket. Since actual output is more, fixed overhead recovery rate is less. Easy.
Yes, sir.
Fixed overhead recovery rate is less. Full stop and continue. There, one different thing you can use. Add and deduct SQ. Add and deduct SQ.
SQ.
BQ and AQ are there. Now what is left out? No SQ. Add and deduct SQ, comma we get. Write that formula. Board allirodu. BQ minus SQ plus SQ minus AQ. Small bracket close. Big bracket. That's square bracket also close. Into standard rate per unit. Standard rate per unit. Under that, 2 arrow marks.
2 arrow marks.
Left side, gross capacity variance. Gross is the word I use. Gross, GROSS. Capacity variance. So whatever is the first one, take it to the left. BQ minus SQ left side. SQ minus AQ. All of you look at that board. Sri Ganesh. BQ minus SQ. Adana take it to left. Left. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ left. BQ minus SQ. BQ SQ minus SQ. Left. SQ minus AQ will go to the right side. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Continue all of it. It's okay, fine. Yeah. Left side. BQ minus SQ into SR is equal to 30,000 units minus 33,000 units. 30,000 units. Close the bracket into 1.5 per unit. All unit based. Actual hours ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ. 30,000 units minus 33,000 units.
4,500.
Into 1.5. Now look at me. Budget quantity is given. Standard quantity is always
For
actual.
Actual.
Actual, actual hours. That's 3,000 units for actual hours. I repeat. Budgeted quantity is given in the question. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Sir, your voice is breaking.
Able to hear me? There is
Sir,
disturbance.
voice is breaking. Yes, sir.
Okay.
There is
Okay.
disturbance.
Hello. Now.
Yes, sir. Now it's fine.
Is it all right or disturbance?
All right, sir.
All right, sir.
It is all right. Okay. Network issue. I repeat. So budgeted quantity is given in the question,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and minus standard quantity. Standard is always for
Actual.
actual. So you should do first for actual hours. Then we go for calendar. So not actual days. You should do for actual hours. So actual hours. How many hours are there? Actual hours. Nodi.
33,000.
33,000 hours
33,000.
into 1 unit per hour. Totally there. Idya,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I repeat. Budgeted quantity is given.
Yes, sir.
Standard quantity is always for actual. It can be for actual hours or actual days. Actual days we are going to do it little later. Subject it should be actual hours. That's why 30,000 budget quantity minus 33,000 units. 33,000 hours into 1 unit per hour.
R.
Otherwise it is there on the top. If you see the data there, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ ಅಣ್ಣ hero, slightly go up at x1, x2, x3. Slightly go up. Slightly go up. Here. So, no, come down. Yeah. Wait. Sorry. Standard units, if you can see. Standard quantity for actual hours. How many we have?
33,000. units.
33,000.
That's what we are talking now. Are you getting my point, Baba?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
This is where we get stuck. I'm just repeating. Standard is always for.
Actual.
Actual.
So, standard quantity is for actual hours. Standard hours is for actual.
Quantity.
Quantity.
Correct. Excellent. I repeat. Standard quantity is for actual
Hours.
Hours.
hours. Standard hours is for actual.
Quantity.
Quantity.
Correct. Units. Brilliant. Come down. Excellent. Come down. This is the one area where you get stuck. Careful. Okay. So come down, Baba. Still down. Yeah. Enough. Yeah. Enough. So how much you get, Baba? So 4,500 favorable. Why 4,500 favorable?
Standard is
30,000 we
more.
budgeted, but 33,000 is based on actual. It is more.
Actual.
More is favorable. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, so BQ and SQ is there. What you do? Add and deduct RBQ. Not barbecue nation. That is the class after Corona. Add and deduct RBQ. We get. What do you get?
BQ minus
BQ minus RBQ.
RBQ plus
We should
RBQ.
always actually we get and forget, and rather actually we give and forgive. Alva? Really, it's okay. Philosophy better. Continue. Yeah. BQ minus RBQ plus RBQ
RBQ minus
SQ
SQ.
into
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
per unit.
Per unit.
Everything is per unit. Am I right, sir? And
Yes, sir.
revised budgeted quantity is always for calendar. And I told you they are in the alphabetical order. Last class I ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. First capacity, efficiency. C comes first, then efficiency. Efficiency we are not done, continued yet. So under capacity, again two RMS, calendar and other capacity. I hope you are understanding.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So calendar variance, BQ minus RBQ into standard rate. How much you get? 30,000 minus, we already done that. And here RBQ is for what number of days? Already there on the table, there on the top.
Yes, sir.
Look at me. Hi. You already done the working note, so you don't have to waste your time. 30,000 budget quantity is available with you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you are able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Budgeted 30,000 budget quantity is available with you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus revised budget quantity. I also told you to standard quantity for actual days.
Yes,
You already
yes,
done
sir.
that. How many days you work? How many days you work?
31,200.
26 days into 1,200. Which you already
Yes,
done
sir.
it. Don't matter.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Continue. If you want, you can rewrite. No problem. 30,000 minus. It is already there on the top. Working note. If you don't want a working note, you can do like this. 26 into 1,200. Use the brain. That is standard quantity for actual days. Now the calendar means days into 1.5 is equal to, repeat, 30,000 minus 31,200 into 1.5. I'm sure all of you are able to enjoy.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Is equal to 1,800 favorable. Close your eyes and say favorable. Tell me why.
Standard is more.
Actual
Revised
days
is
worked
more.
is more.
You have worked 1 day extra. That's it. Calendar. You have to look at it. I'm horse view. Now calendar means budgeted days is 25. How many days you worked?
26.
26.
1 day you have worked extra,
Worked
boss.
extra.
You have worked extra. Are you happy or unhappy?
Happy, sir.
Happy.
F ಕೆಳಗೆ arrow mark. There only. Since actual days is more than budgeted days. Calendar variance only budgeted days. So simply look at the days. Shall we continue?
Yes, sir.
Right side. Other, which is the bracket, that is capacity variance. Statue. How much is the calendar variance you got?
1800.
Right side capacity variance should be how much? Balance.
2700.
Aste, 4,500
Yes.
on the top you have, 4,500 minus 1,800, balance should be 2,700. I hope you are understanding.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Even extreme case, if you have not forgotten the formula, you can arrive at that. This is the beauty of the charts. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
कुछ हो रहा है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Better. As of no कुछ. Continue.
RBQ
RBQ
minus
minus
SQ.
it is deriving from the top formula, which is the right side portion. We are putting it down. Q into
SR per unit.
SR. Which is the bracket 31,200 minus 33,000 into 1.5 into 1.5. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
How much you get?
2,700
2007
favorable.
favorable.
2,700 favorable. Why favorable? Because standard is based on actual. Are you there?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Below that, standard is for actual, which is higher. If it is higher, it is better. Because the absorption rate is lesser. Fixed order, you have to go by that approach.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understanding? Yeah. Now, their efficiency variance, I think we are not complete. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right side. Below the on the right side of gross capacity, efficiency variance.
Oh, standard quantity
You
minus.
write neatly. SQ minus AQ into SR.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Same SQ you are writing here. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You did BQ minus
Yes,
SQ
sir.
plus SQ minus AQ. 33,000 minus 32,500 into 1.5. How much you get?
750.
750 adverse.
750.
Two reasons it is
Yes.
adverse. One is you expected to manufacture 30,000. Even after working for 1 day extra, you didn't see much. You got only 32,500. You are inefficient. That inefficiency is called efficiency adverse variance. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, adverse. Athava, what is the other way students approach? Properly, if you see the volume variance is
3750.
3750 left side, if you get 4,500 favorable, right? So it should be
750 adverse.
750 adverse.
avlada. That's it. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, continue. So this is it. So fine. Now what you should do? Right side hours based. My suggestion to you all, my friends, drag it completely down and start in a fresh page. In a full chitrana,
Yes,
it will
sir.
happen. Picture rise, chitrana, picture rise. Then you have to sing chitrana anta. Complete right side.
Hours based.
Hours based. Drag it down. Full chitrana agatte, full yenen agatte. Drag it down. Hours based. Can you be a little faster now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
volume variance is equal to, look at me, statue. Left side is BQ minus AQ, right side is BH minus
BH minus SH.
Yes.
SH is always for
Actually,
brilliant. Standard rate per hour is equal to, all information are available in our data. Budgeted hours 30,000 minus standard hours for actual output data. Standard
Yes,
is always for, keep on
actual.
telling, standard is always for
Actual.
Actual.
standard hours for actual output. Actual output is 32,500 into 1. 30,000 minus 32,500 is equal to 1 point into 1.5. 3750 favorable.
Favorable.
You must get the left side answer. If you don't get that, something wrong with your calculator. 3750 favorable. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then add, so now BH and SH is already there in the
AH.
formula.
AH.
So you have to add AH.
H.
EH ಅಲ್ಲ, EH ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಹುಳಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಡ. EH ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ರಕ್ಷಿತಾ ಅವರೇ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ?
Sir.
ರಕ್ಷಿತಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ? EH ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ EH ಹೇಳಿದ್ಯಾ?
AH. Actual hours.
Actual hours. Add and deduct what? AH. We get అక్కడ చూడు, చూస్తే చెప్పు.
BH minus AH.
AH plus AH minus SH.
SH.
ಅದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇಂಟು SR per unit.
Per hour.
Standard rate per hour. Sorry. Standard rate per hour. Here I did a mistake. Standard rate per hour. Per unit ಅಲ್ಲ, per hour. Unit ಹೇಳಿ we are getting the same thing. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Another two big error marks. Left side. Gross capacity variance. Gross capacity variance. So whatever is in the first bracket, put it down. BH minus AH into SR.
Per hour.
Very good. Excellent. Now everything per hour. Within the
Yes,
bracket. This information also is straight away available in the question. How many hours budgeted?
30,000.
Minus how
30,000.
many actual hours? 30,000
33,000.
30,000 minus
33,500. 33,000.
3,000.
33,000. 30,000 minus 33,000
Into 1.5.
how much you get, Baba?
4,500. Favorable.
4,500
Favorable.
favorable. Next. Happening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Fine, continue. What is that? So
To our amount.
adding and deducting.
RBH.
Adding and deducting RBH.
RBH.
Towards calendar. RBH is always for calendar. We get right. BH minus RBH plus RBH minus AH. I hope all of you are doing that math correctly.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Into standard rate per hour.
Per hour.
Standard rate per hour.
2 RMRs. Left side. Calendar variance. Little down. Calendar variance. BH minus RBH into SR. Which is the bracket? 30,000 minus 31,200 hours into 1.5. 1,800 favorable. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Why
sir.
favorable? Why favorable? Why favorable?
1 day extra.
No.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Calendar means
Actually
1 day
is more.
extra. That's it. Favorable. ಅವಳದ. Right side. Other, which is the bracket, capacity variance. Which is the bracket, RBH minus AH into SR. This is the 31,200. What is there on the left side? Minus 33,000 into 1.5. Into 1.5.
2,700.
2,000?
700 favorable.
2,700 favorable. 2,700
Yes, sir.
2,700 favorable.
favorable. Yeah, right side. Complete right side.
Efficiency.
Efficiency variance. Efficiency variance. How much?
AH minus SH
AH minus SH into SR.
per hour. 750.
How much you get?
750 adverse.
adverse.
750 adverse.
Full stop.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whether all your RMRs are completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Did
sir.
you enjoy the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the most complicated question under fixed overheads. Now, what my suggestion to all my friends, do it once more. Cleanly sit down. I know we have taken our 1 hour plus as of now. It is what it. No problem. It is almost a 15-mark question. So you do it once more. I would request all to do 2 times. Do it 2 times so that you will be the master of this, in and out of this. Once you know the concept, things will become very, very easy. Next note. Can you write? Read below that.
Yes,
Actually,
sir.
we don't have to do this only for understanding purpose. Reconciliation. Reconciliation. Total fixed overhead variance is equal to, quickly you tell me. Total fixed overhead variance is equal to, Chapandi,
Expenditure variance plus volume variance.
that's it, is equal to expenditure variance plus volume variance. Expenditure variance plus volume variance. So left side, how much is the top figure? Just go up, man. Ganesh, go. So is equal to, how much is
5,000
the total
adverse.
variance you got?
Oh,
Top, still top. Still go up.
1250 adverse.
Top, 1250 adverse. 1250, na? Correct. 1250 left side. 1250 adverse is equal to 1250 adverse is equal to, come down a little bit. 1250 adverse is equal to
5,000
Really?
adverse. 5,000 adverse.
5000 adverse plus
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 3750
50
favorable.
favorable.
3750 favorable. Is equal to how much you get?
1250 adverse.
adverse.
1250. Hence proved, Shetty sir proved.
Shetty sir.
Shetty sir proved.
Shetty sir proved. Students proved. Yes, yo. Yeah. Next. Next line. Volume variance. Fixed word volume variance. Volume variance. How much is the volume variance? I'll immediately barbadi. 3750 favorable is equal to
4500
is equal
favorable.
to how much?
Gross
Capacity
capacity
variance
variance
plus efficiency variance.
Capacity variance plus efficiency variance.
variance.
Capacity variance plus efficiency variance is equal to 4500 favorable plus 750 adverse. You can see it on the board. 4500 favorable plus 750 adverse.
Adverse.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is equal to 3750 favorable.
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 Anta,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
even some CA final people struggle for standard costing. I would request you to do it again. You'll enjoy it. Next. What
Capacity.
next? Gross capacity. The capacity variance is equal to capacity variance how much?
4500
500 favorable.
How much?
4,500 favorable.
4500 favorable. Is equal to
Calendar variance plus
plus the other
capacity variance.
Other
other
capacity
capacity
variance.
variance. Is equal to how much?
1800 favorable. Yes, sir.
700 favorable.
Is equal to
Yes, sir.
4500 favorable. Banta? Okay. That is the reconciliation. Anyway, in our chart approach is already done. Note number 2. Note number 2. Repetition.
Actual.
Standard is always for actual. Full stop. Standard is always
Actual.
for
Actual.
actual. You able to see me?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
able to
sir.
hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yo. Standard is always for actual. Dash right. Input in terms of output or output in terms of input.
Input.
Not short put. No short put now. What's the over now? Input in terms of output. How was the sports day? Online sports day?
Super,
Very
sir.
nice, sir.
Maja madra.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, everything can happen. Whatever, once we decide, it will happen. There's no word called impossible. Bakwas dictionary, if there's a word called impossible there. Yeah. input for output, output for input. Next, number 3. Units per hour. Units per hour is equal to units by hours.
R.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, standard quantity for actual hour. Standard quantity, audible?
Actu-
Kirti?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Standard quantity for actual hours
Hours.
is equal to
Equal to
Ulta
actual
variable.
hours
Actual
into
hours
standard
into standard
quantity.
quantity per hour.
standard quantity per
Per
hour.
hour.
R.
Standard quantity for actual hours is equal to actual hours into standard quantity per
Hour.
R.
hour. Very good. Excellent. All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a beautiful question. Do it in this way only. Do 2 more times. You will be able to master this fixed overhead variance. Any question under the sky, you will be able to do it. Only thing is you should apply the mind. Every time you should apply the mind. Can we?
Yes, sir.
All of you enjoyed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. God bless you.